Now, real, you know I feel you on this one.
You keep winning all the way.
Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright.
You and me, baby.
Everything's gonna be
This is
alright.
real. And that's why it's
I can see it in their eyes, they try to hurt you. In the shade, they talk away and criticize too. Entertain you with a lie that don't concern you. Just keep moving along. Doesn't matter what they say, even if they're gonna hate. If the haters do their thing, keep winning all the way. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. I'm winning.
I'm really checking it.
Keep winning all the way.
But I been through similar things. Would they love it? Would they turn around and then hate on me? Cause I'm thuggish. They love it when you hear it, but hate it when you gone. They rap it right behind you, but they playing all your songs. See, I know how people get me now. Not reading lines and they putting people down. They see you trying to say something, thinking that your words matter, but it really doesn't. It doesn't.
Doesn't matter what they say,
No matter what they say,
even if they're gonna hate.
if they gonna hate.
Let the haters do their thing. Keep winning all the way. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. I'm winning. Keep winning all the way.
And if the best friends hate on you, do you really think I'm all gonna make a move? Fight your destiny, fate to lose. If you give them that time, they can play the fool. Then it's shame on you, shame on you.
I see them faking. You don't need them anyway. But why they hating? 'Cause they're only in the way. They try to hold me back from me doing me. But I know everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. I'm winning. I'm winning. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. I'm winning. Keep winning all the way. Money making ladies got her business in the making. Bentleys and Mercedes, that's the only way she's taken. You don't need to envy, girl, you got it already. Do a big skinny candy like Sahaha Shemi. No need to pretend this is the final car. My girl set the trends, they don't follow well.